Hey guys, today we're talking about the VH3500. This machine was actually built for those of you that are doing motorcycle frames or the larger equipment. This machine is 60 inches wide by 30 inches deep by 38 inches high inside the workspace. This is a closed loop system, so it will recycle your rinse water, but you can get it in an open loop system as well, which would allow you to hook a water hose up for rinsing. It's gonna have the 3 to 4 LED, 2-foot LED lights inside the cabinet, so the lighting is going to be exceptional. You've got the window rinse, you've got the 2 windshield wipers, and the 2 sets of gloves. A lot of people ask about the 2 sets of gloves because they're wondering if this is a 2-man station. It is not a 2-man station. What this is for is if you have a part that is as wide as this cabinet is, you can move down a set of gloves in order to clean your part without having to take it out, turn it around, switch it over. This is an exceptional industrial unit. It's got the precision regulator, it's got the automatic overflow. Give us a call. Let us know what size your parts are. If this is something that's going to work for you, give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.